Hi, today we're going to talk about the UK fiscal policy during the COVID-19 pandemic. So what we are going to see is the UK macroeconomic economy snapshot and analyze the fiscal policy, impact of the policy change and conclusion. Let's get started. The UK macroeconomic snapshot. Throughout the decade, the UK had always maintained positive and stable economic growth until the COVID-19 happened, and it's have a really big impact on the economy of the UK. And today we're gonna look about three basic aspects of the UK economy. First is the GDP growth. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the 2020 experienced the lowest growth rate in 10 years, negative 9.4%. In the figure 2, from 2010 to 2020, the inflation rate of the UK was unstable over years. It peaked in 2011 at 3.86% and dropped significantly in 2012, and then dropping until 2016. Have some increase in 2017 and then drop back again. Overall, the UK inflation rate is medium, close to the world inflation rate. Finally, UK unemployment rates. It was peaked in 2011 and dropped gradually until 2020. This is due, and although the unemployment rate of UK is really low, this is due to the furlough scheme, and it can be compared to the US. The US government, instead of introducing a furlough scheme, this raised unemployment benefit and result in a sharp increase of unemployment rate. Okay, let's talk about analysis the fiscal policy. First, the tax change, and second, the government spending. About tax change, although the UK did not directly lower the tax rate, several programs implemented to help firms and individuals lessen their tax burden. This really helps the people, especially public service, charity, to measure to support business, including property tax holidays, direct rents for small firms and firms at most affected sectors, and compensation for sick pay leave, strengthening the society safety net to support vulnerable people, etc. About the government spending, the UK government offered numerous support programs totaling 29 billion to help mitigate the negative effect of COVID-19. As you can see on the UK government spending. Also, they still spend many more, such as £1 billion to assist enterprise pushing innovation and growth through grants and loans. 2.2 billion credit to have the IMF poverty reduction and growth trust have all the country. Because of this massive rise in government expenditure, the UK now has 380 billion budget imbalance, which is a peacetime record. We're going to talk about the impact of the policy change. As you can see, the AD have been balanced a lot with the relaxed tax regulation and tax refund. The country AD began to show some good sign and recover. As corporation people had less, they have to pay less tax, they would have more discretionary money. With greater disposable income, individual and business began to invest and spend more, boosting the consumption and investment. A big increase in government spending also helped increase AD. With the aid of the coronavirus job retention scheme, the country unemployment was projected to fall. And you can see the ARAS has not recovered yet, unchanged, and stay unchanged at SRAS2 will result in price level and inflation. In conclusion, this fiscal policy suited and mitigating heavy toll of COVID-19. However, the UK have to suffer some rise in inflation rate, but they still have favorable results such as a growth in GDP. Thank you for listening.